Hi, this is Bhaskar Rao Dubaka. I am actually going to tell you about Giridhari Constructions, Giridhari Homes, which is in Bandlagoda, Jagir, Kismatpura. We have totally around 11 projects which are completed and also upcoming. And now there are 4 projects which are coming up. The major thing is we are coming out with a luxurious flats on the banks of the Isa River, which is in Kismatpur. This is a luxurious project which has the view of greenery of almost 6,000 acres. That basically the project itself is called as view because it shows the view of the entire river and also the forest area and the Rajendra Nagar Agriculture University. So in future there will not be any constructions happening over there. So I feel in this kind of situation where the pandemic is going on and also the kind of a hustle and bustle all over the city, that is the best place one can choose, which is the coolest place and which is in the heart of the city. So that is the best project what I can say. And we have one more project which is ready to hand over is called Art. This is one of its kind of a features we are giving there. We basically believe in giving the eco-friendly living. So you can see our projects where you can see lots of greenery we provide to our people. Now in pandemic, how it is people are not going to offices, people are not going to clubs, people are not going to gyms. So everything they want, everything at one place in their homes itself. So that is what the concept we kept in mind, and we are giving all these features in our projects. So once you go through our brochures or our material or our project, you will be able to understand what is the cutting edge we have, what is the how we are different from other projects in the Hyderabad. Property show now, this is something really surprising because we have not expected so much of a crowd. Even actually this is the first day. On the first day itself there is a huge response, very good. It is very positive response we have. So I feel tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it will be rushing like in anything. We are very happy with the CREDAI and we are very happy with the kind of execution they are doing. We are very happy with that.